Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you guys how easy it is to do your nails using this Polygel kit from Born Pretty. It was so easy, it's insane. So first you're going to prep your nails. If I'm using a peel off base coat, so I didn't need to do that, but you're just going to push your cuticle back and buff them and prep your nails like you normally would. Then you're going to pick out the size of your dual forms that fit your nail. You want it to fit sidewall to sidewall, not be too big, and definitely don't want it too small. Then you're going to add your Polygel into the inside of the dual form. I used a little bit bigger than a pea size amount, I would say. And then you take your brush and you can use either the slip solution or rubbing alcohol, and you're just gonna smooth that out all on the dual form. Try to do it as even as possible. Right here, I noticed that I didn't have enough on the side, so I did end up adding a little bit more, and I wanted to keep that in the video so you guys know it is okay to add more. I found taking your time and really trying to get it nice and even helped a lot with the end result. So I'm just smoothing it all out. Once I get it nice and smooth, I just gently place it on my nail. I learned the hard way, do not push. I tried to use the clips and it pushed it all out and made a mess. So when I just gently put it on my nail, you don't want it to be at an angle. You gotta try to get it as even as possible, and just set it on your nail. And then you're gonna put it on the light. Now I did it in this flash cure light, both on the top, and then I turned my nail over and cured on the bottom. And then after I take the dual form off, I cure it in the full size lamp as well. So then after you cure, you're gonna remove the dual form, and this is where I would cure in the full size lamp, but I didn't do it here in the video. Then it's gonna be super sticky. Polygel is really sticky, so you're gonna wanna clean it with rubbing alcohol. And make sure you clean underneath as well. And then you're gonna file and shape your nail. And look how easy that was, you guys. So easy. I almost wish I tried this before acrylic. Maybe I would be a Polygel girl instead of an acrylic girl, because it is that easy. And then you just repeat those steps on all of your nails, and boom, it's done. Like, you can top coat, you can decorate them, polish them, whatever you want, but it's really, really easy. Here I'm doing a glitter one because this glitter is so pretty. I did notice the glitter one was a little bit stickier than the others, but that could have just been me. So yeah, do yourself a favor, click the link in this video and get this kit for yourself. You can save some money by not having to go to the salon, and it's fun too. You and your girlfriends can get together and just do your nails. It's a lot of fun. It's super duper easy. If you've never done your nails at home before, like with a extension kit or anything like that, I highly, highly recommend trying this out. Again, easy, inexpensive, convenient. Check it out and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.